Okay. Now I'm looking for jobs while doing little jobs now. Little jobs all over the place.
And
Um,
what is some difficulties you faced after graduating? Obviously, so you would have graduated 2020 July, and we're now in what are we in April
mm, yeah,
2021?
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So
yeah.
just under a year out of graduation. What is life like?
Obviously, from past students, the situation is a bit different now. And graduating in the pandemic, it's for all us 2020 graduates was something very difficult.
Surprise.
Yeah, and like everybody's kind of like doing their best, and I know some people already found a job and they're doing great. But there's a bit of difficulty now with funding like the right things, and with the pandemic, it's a bit like this. For me, I'm glad that I'm finding like these little things to do all over the place until I found something that I like full time. Um, yeah.
Okay,